In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Hostinger Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, clickable link in your menu or any selected area so visitors can quickly get where they need to go. Start by opening Hostinger Website Builder and loading the website you want to edit. Give the builder a moment to load your content so you can see the current structure of your pages and navigation. Once your site is open, look to the left side and open the Pages and Navigation panel. This is your control center for menus and links, and it lets you manage what appears in your site's navigation. Next, click Add Link. This creates a new navigation item that behaves like any other menu entry, but points to the destination you choose. You'll be prompted to type the name you want the link to show on the website. Keep this label short, clear, and descriptive, like contact, pricing, or blog, so visitors immediately know what to expect when they click. Now choose what the link should open. You can link to an external web address, a phone number, an email address, an existing page on your site, or a specific section on a page. If you're linking to a web address, be sure to paste the full URL, including HTTPS, so it works reliably. For a phone number, use the international format if possible, and the builder will set it up so mobile users can tap to call. For an email, enter a standard email address, and the builder will create a mail to link that opens the visitor's email app. If you want to send people to a page within your site, pick it from the list so the link remains consistent even if you change the page URL later. To point to a section, choose the specific section or anchor, so the page scrolls to the exact spot. Enter the URL or destination details carefully and double check for typos. When you're done, save the link. Take a look at your menu or the selected area to confirm the new link appears with the label you set. Use the site preview to test the click and make sure it opens the right destination. Finally, publish or update the website so the new link goes live. After publishing, visit your live site in a fresh browser tab to verify everything works and test on mobile if the link is a phone number. That's it. Your link is now active and ready for visitors.